Hello everyone, my name is Adeline Spears and welcome back to another AWX weather forecasting video, and I'm here with another forecasting video this week because the weather is really ramping up. We are transitioning into a more active severe weather pattern, and that is becoming more and more evident, and that is starting as soon as tomorrow. So we need to go ahead and rush into the details of this outlook. So we're starting with the Storm Prediction Center's Day 2 outlook for tomorrow, Thursday, and we have that slight risk of 2 out of 5 extending all of the way from south central Kansas, stretching through Oklahoma and all the way getting into central Texas as well. So this is not a huge threat, but the risks are definitely there. The driving potential for severe weather is going to be coming from that increased hail threat. So we may see some isolated large to damaging hail across that risk area tomorrow, but that tornado threat also exists. We have that 2% risk, meaning an isolated tornado or two cannot be ruled out. And it is March. We're getting into that prime severe weather and tornado season. So even though it is a small chance, you have to take it as seriously as you would a bigger risk as well. We also have that day 2 and 3, so now we're going to be looking at that day 2 risk. Looking at that day 3 outlook now from the Storm Prediction Center, as we can see that slight risk has been expanded eastward. We're now looking at places like East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, and even Florida being included in that risk area now. So since it is that day 3 outlook, we really are not able to have that category by category probability breakdown per each threat. So we don't know exactly what the percentages will be for the tornado, wind, or hail quite yet, but we will tomorrow if you're viewing this on Thursday. So now skipping into that day 4 outlook, this one's even more uncertain. I mean, it is 4 days out. This is for Saturday, so we're really not sure what we can expect here. But again, the broad advice that you should be taking away from this, the rule of thumb, is be hyper vigilant, hyper weather aware if you live in these areas that I was just talking about, because we still don't know exactly what's to come. But the best thing you can do for you, your property, and your family is just to go ahead and be prepared. You'd rather be safe than sorry. So go ahead, pack that severe weather preparedness kit. Know what you're going to do when that warning comes through. That's the best thing you can do now before all of those details filter in. So I'm still going to be here providing updates. I'm trying to do them twice a week, bi-weekly, just to make sure all of our bases are covered here in the weather world, especially as things begin to heat up as we're moving into severe weather season. So you're going to be seeing a lot of me. I'll be seeing a lot of you, but just know lots of weather videos are coming at you in your future. Make sure to follow me on all of my social medias because I'll also be covering the weather over there too. So I hope you have a great rest of your week and a super start to your weekend.